Hi everyone, today is the Nailtopia film for the month. See, it's June. So I think I received these, I don't know. Maybe I received them at the end of last month, I don't know. But they're for June and I believe for July too. So we received 2 full-size bottles of the new Disney Princess line. So that's different. And these also have, they're also numbered and they're limited edition. So we have Ariel and Cinderella. And they also sent us this Fresh Start Pedi treatment kit. So I haven't opened this, so let's I thought it'd be fun just to open it with you guys. Let's take a look at what's in here. Let's see, this is for dehydrated, damaged nails and cuticles and sensitive skin. So what do we get here? So we have a cuticle pusher. Oh, I like that. Look how cute this is. It's a little wooden cuticle pusher. I mean, it's not wooden, but the handle here is wooden. So FYI, don't get this near any sort of acetone. I don't think you really use cuticle pushers near acetone, but you know, just a little FYI. And we received, wow, oh, this is awesome. I'm into cuticle softeners that are better for your cuticles. I mean, they're not the kind that say, don't leave it on your nails over 60 seconds, you know, because that's a little bit scary. So I'm really excited. This one's a sea salt cuticle softener. So I'm excited to try this. And this is renewing kiwi oil. So oil. So I want to sniff this and see what it smells like. I hope it smells good. Now, I'm not going to put it up near my nose because that's never a good idea. So let's see. Let's put a little bit on my thumb and rub it in. Well, it doesn't have any scent, so that's, you know, that's a plus. And then we received 2 minis. Nail Nourishment, and this is raspberry, and I believe I've tried this before, and I did like it. And man, I'm gonna break all my fingernails. All right, fingernail companies, please. How do you get this stuff out without breaking your nails up? I don't know, maybe my cuticle pusher, but I don't want to break my cuticle pusher either. Oh, here we go. Maybe that's what you should do. Push it up through the top. You can, yeah, all right. This is much easier. All right. So we've got the raspberry nail nourishment and the raspberry cuticle hydration. Okay, so I'm just gonna read about this stuff. The cuticle softener is to exfoliate and soften cuticles, and then you can push them back with the biosourced cuticle grooming tool. Number 2, the mini raspberry nail treatment is you know, brush this on your nails and it rejuvenates your nails. And this is actually really nice stuff. I like that. And then the cuticle hydration is to replenish cuticles. And then the renewing oil is skincare for hands and all over skin on hands, knuckles, elbows, all over. You can use it all over. renewing oil. I'm gonna have to probably look this stuff up on the internet to see if there's any other description. Okay, so the kiwi, I'm gonna read a little bit from the website. The kiwi oil helps to moisturize, deeply moisturize the skin, nails with vitamin C and E. You can use it on your face, skin, hair, scalp, lips, nails, as a perfect natural skin moisturizer and skin antioxidant. Apply 1 to 2 drops to clean skin, bare nails, cuticles, and gently massage into the skin, nails, and cuticles for maximum absorption. Okay, the sea salt cuticle softener helps increase the vitality of the cuticles. Calcium ensures healthier, fresher, stronger nails, and it has magnesium that helps with protein synthesis and the formation of new nails. Now the raspberry cuticle softener has raspberry extract that and vitamin E, a bunch of stuff that hydrate nails, cuticles, and promote the regeneration of cells. It also has other vitamins that strengthen, harden, and condition the nails and cuticles. And the raspberry nail nourishment looks like it does about the same thing as the hydrating thing, except for it's going to be on your nails. You should use 2 coats of it. It hydrates nails, cuticles, and promotes the regeneration of cells. And it also is a strengthener, hardener, and conditions nails and cuticles. We're going to take a look at this nail cuticle softener. Now this one says, let's see, put on here. It's got sea salt in there, so I guess it's going to exfoliate stuff. And it says, gently massage it. Seriously, I got a cuticle thing that I massaged in once, and it was Sally Hansen, and I got like a horrible reaction. So I mean, I can use it, you just can't massage it in there. It was different. It was like a hydrating thing. But anyway, so all right, massaging that in there, hopefully nothing bad will happen, and leave it on for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, so it's been 20 seconds, and then as you normally would, just push back your cuticles. Kind of scraping off any dead cuticle. It's on your nails. Push everything back. And then obviously wash your hands. I'm not going to wear nail polish for the next couple of days, so I think I'm going to try this out. Well, I've already tried this out. I'm just going to do it again. This is the raspberry nourishing treatment, and I am going to put 2 coats of it on my nails. It obviously there's no color to it. It dries pretty quick, so I'm just going to put on my second coat. So this is after 3 days of using the raspberry cuticle hydration and the renewing kiwi oil. I like both of them. I use the kiwi oil in the morning and the raspberry in the evening, and I think my cuticles look pretty good. This one is Cinderella, and you can see along the top here, it's got like, I think it looks purplish shimmer. And it is limited edition, and it does have a number on the back. Okay, so here's the first coat of Cinderella. Just like a really light blue. It looks like in the bottle it has like a purplish shimmer. You might be able to see that after a couple coats. Here's the second coat. And I think it looks good in 2 coats. This is 2 coats and top coat, and you can see that shimmer. This is really a beautiful blue color, and that purple shimmer is really, really nice. This one is Ariel, and it is kind of a shimmery pearly blue. It's more like a pearly blue. This one is also limited edition and is numbered. Okay, and here is the first coat of Ariel. It looks like this one will probably be good in 1 coat, depending on the length of your fingernails, but I am going to put 2 coats on. So this is a shimmery, kind of cobalt blue, I would say, color. Here is 2 coats of Ariel, and no matter what size length, 2 coats should actually be enough. And this is with top coat. I have 2 coats of Cinderella on, and I'm going to take Ariel, and put a little bit on the little silicone mat. I'm going to take a little bit of cling wrap, saran wrap, whatever you guys call it. I'm just going to kind of squish it up so it's got some good texture there. Can you tell with that? Okay. Now I'm just going to dip it in Ariel and then kind of dip it off. Oh, that was good, because I don't want... Alright, that's exactly what I didn't want to happen. Alright, there we go. And then just kind of dip it onto my nails, and this is exactly the look kind of that I was going for. Good thing that I dipped it off onto my mat first, because that would not have been, that would have been a giant surprise. Surprise! Your nails don't look good. They don't look as you wanted them to. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. And what you could have done is actually put like a liquid latex around, but I didn't actually think of that until I already started with like the second nail. So now what you want to do is you want to take a cleanup brush, just kind of clean up the edges. Actually, it didn't really get on the edges that much. Well, actually, it looks pretty good. Now you want to wait a little bit till this has time to dry, or it may smear. And Which I'm not too worried about it smearing. I like the look, and it's super simple to do. I mean, basically you need no skills at all. And it still gives you a really cool looking manicure. Here is the finished manicure. I hope you like this like super quick and easy nail art idea. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.